Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is a daily for Bitcoin. We're gonna dive, of course, from the daily to the 15-minute chart to see where are we heading with Bitcoin. So starting with this impulse as a bull run, of course, finished as a wave 1, ABC expanding flat, unfolding to reach, of course, our target as a wave C in an impulse or in a diagonal. For 1.61867K and around it. Currently, the price is still ranging below the base channel, the old base channel, which is, of course, playing as a resistance over there. At the same time, we saw the price breaking the base channel, the current base channel taken from the wave 1 and then 2, and supposed to be, of course, wave 3, and then wave 4 and a 5 to unfold towards the downside. However, the wave 4 here doesn't match at all the double 1-2 that we have for our wave 3. There we have double 1-2 there, which of course did not unfold a wave 4, of course, in a short time, or at least in double time of this wave 2, but it is even much longer, which is almost invalidation and very far possibility for an impulse, bringing us to a potential scenario closer to a diagonal. ABC finished. Your wave C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 3 longer than wave 1. Wave 4 interfering with the zone 1, which is supposed to be in an expanding diagonal. And then wave 5 extremely long than the wave 3, which is exactly what we would like to see in an expanding diagonal. Wave C there, that means, of course, ABC is unfolding as a wave 1 there. And this long time taken is, of course, a wave 2 for a diagonal, which it might unfold our wave 3 toward the downside. Let's see this, of course, in our labels on the daily here. So the ending diagonal that I supposed here to be, much more, potentially much more, of course, possible to unfold is exactly in this area. Now, why I have invalidation of bearish, I'm gonna check for this again. Sorry guys, I analyze many things per day, so I forget why I put these, but I will watch it, of course, again internally. So basically we have a 1, 2 and then 3, 4 and a 5 to unfold toward the downside here. Of course, the wave 3 then it is unfolding as an ABC potential zigzag, of course, to hit, of course, our wave 3 there. And then having another zigzag wave 4, another zigzag wave 5 to reach the perfect target, which is the same target that it was supposed to be in an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, but basically because of the time, it's just like a little bit less possibility than the ending diagonal. Right, so this is exactly what we are looking for. Now, why I have this? Now I understand. So I have invalidation here. Just to remind you that on the lower time frame, we have invalidation for the impulse. So the price did not take the invalidation, meaning the wave 4 did not interfere yet in the zone 1, and it is very likely, of course, to push for lower here. And this is a confirmation for lower, meaning once the price takes this low, that means, of course, 3 ways ABC are done, and we push for lower prices there. However, I think those labels should not be in this area. I think they should be in the 2 hours chart here and not in this area. So I'm gonna move them out here, and of course we're gonna take it to, of course, our 2 hours chart, which we're gonna see right now. So in the 2 hours chart here, we are looking, of course, at the following. We have, of course, our target still, of course, toward the downside, where we are looking for the 85,700. And that because, of course, we still in a potential 1, 2 here, wave 3, wave 4, of course, finished, and we are unfolding 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, because of the wave 4 here, the last 2 days, it took so much time as well as an ABC, and of course, if you compare it with the wave 2 here, you can see clearly that the wave 2 is shallow in time, while the wave 4 is very long in time. However, despite that the invalidation is not taken, of course, it still can play a wave 4 and a 5, but I think here much more likely to be in an ABC where you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here, Wave 4 did not interfere with the zone 1. That means it is an impulse finish there for a wave C, potential ABC there. Again, 1, a 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. By all means, you might be here in an ending diagonal, of course, that it might unfold a wave 3 toward the downside. Okay, so this wave 3 might be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, hitting our 1-to-1 fib level. 84K, of course, for Bitcoin as a common target, but don't forget it can simply take the low and hit only the 85K 700, which is of course much more than enough as uncommon target. Don't forget, of course, confirmation for lower has to be taken here at exactly the price at 87K. So 87K will confirm our 85K 700 and potentially below it. So yeah, very, very nice. Of course, taking the high again, if the price push for higher, this is invalidation of bearish, because anyway, the wave 4 is not allowed to interfere with zone 1. However, of course, the wave 4 anyway is already done here and we did not invalidate. So I would say let's remove it. And of course, yeah, currently we have to watch these prices. Regarding also the other possibility, of course, we can have other possibility for Bitcoin, meaning as bullish. If you want to be bullish there, yeah, we need something as an impulse first. That's hard first on the 15-minute chart. Why? Because we need something impulsive, unless you want to turn this as double 1-2. By all means, 1-2, A, B, and a C expanding flat wave 2, leading diagonal and wave 2, and then pushing for higher. Yeah, so this can be a bullish. However, it's hard to count it. Why? Because of course you are still in 3 waves finish there. And if this happens, if that happens, that we push for higher here, the only possibility that it can be is a large, very large wave 4 or very large correction, meaning you are in a wave A, wave B, expanding flat, and double 1-2 for a wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Meaning an expanding flat is unfolding and then pushing back again toward the downside, which is, of course, still bearish. And then it will bring us to a potential longer wave 4 here, which I doubt it, because anyway, wave 2 is not that much long. And of course, if the invalidation is not taken, you might still be bearish here until you take this level, right? So you invalidate the bullish, the bearish, and then transferring to something bullish. So therefore, it's my first reason is the finished 3 waves. I'm still looking for lower, at least in a zigzag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diagonal, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse, because the invalidation is not taken there. Once we take the invalidation, okay, that might be a green flag, and we might be in double 1-2 therefore. But yeah, it's gonna be of course A, B, and a C toward the upside, and then pushing lower again. Yeah, so and on the 1 hour chart, it does mean of course that you might still be in a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so it doesn't change so much the scenario there. Yep, so this is regarding Bitcoin, of course, between bullish and bearish as well on the micro level. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.